Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. So today I'm going to tell you about a Android setting that almost doubled your battery life. For this, you just have to open your phone settings. In settings, just look for battery. Here's battery, tap on it. And battery, you have a setting which is battery saver. You just have to turn it on and then turn it on. And here, after turning it on, you just need to do a second step, which is to reduce background apps. For this, here's are some background apps. You just have to tap on app, and here you can see allow background uses. You just have to disable this setting. You can select optimized, restricted or unrestricted. If you select restricted, so background usage of this app will be disabled. But if you select optimized, so background usage of the app will be optimized. Yes, and if you select unrestricted, so it will use your battery highly level. So I suggest you to select the third one, which is restricted. Now this app can't run in background, but if you select optimize, so it is better for your device. So that's how you can double your phone's battery life. After doing this, you just have to make a restart of your phone. Just keep a long press on power button and then select restart, and after that your settings will be applied and your battery power will be almost doubles. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.